how to make a crew in Blox Fruits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a crew in Blox Fruits and Roblox on your PC or laptop. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up Blox Fruits and go ahead and start playing it. Once Blox Fruits opens, select Pirates. And then over in the left menu, just select the little pirate icon right here. From here, all we need to do is first give our crew a name. If you want to have a custom logo for your crew, all we need to do is open up a browser and navigate to roblox.com and then select Create in the top menu. Once you select Create, select Store in the top menu and then select Images. Now all we need to do is find the image that we want to use. As an example, I'm just going to use this Oreo picture here. So just select the image that you want to use as your logo and then copy the URL at the very top. Now we can go back to Blox Fruits, select the logo link, paste the link, and then hit enter on your keyboard. And then you'll see your logo there. And now all we need to do to create our crew is select Create. Keep in mind, you do have to have a level of 300 plus in order to create a crew. All right, so that's how you make a crew in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets. Thank you so much for watching.